Good afternoon, everybody. This is Kathy DeRouche from kathyplus5.blogspot.com, and today we're going to be doing a step block card. I had a couple posted on Facebook and had a few responses that people wanted to see how it was done, and so that's what we're going to do today. And we're going to kind of do it kind of quickly because I'm not sure how my camera's going to work today. It's just been crazy lately. So we'll start off with your supply list, which is you'll need a 4.5 by 12 inch cardstock, and then a coordinating 4.5 inch by, well, actually it doesn't really matter because it's going to be hidden. So a 4.5 inch by 1 inch a piece of cardstock scored in half. You'll need a scoreboard, a paper trimmer, scissors, adhesive, and then you'll need what you're going to decorate your card with, which is 1 3/8 by 1 3/8 cardstock mats. So that could be just a coordinating cardstock for your paper. 9 of them if you're just going to do the front, and 15 if you're going to do the whole card. We're just going to do the front today. And then you'll need 1 1/4 by 1 1/4 inch pattern paper for, coordinating to match there. And what I've done is I've taken the 4.5 by 12 inch cardstock and I've already scored it for you. And it's going to be scored the long way at 1 1/2, 3 inches, 4 1/2, 6 inches, 7 1/2, 9 inches, and 10 1/2. And then you're going to flip it around the other way and score it at 1 1/2 and 3. Then after you've done that, and you've got your cardstock all scored, on the bottom from the left, you're going to go over to the 3rd box, the 4th box, and the 5th box and cut them out. And then the center box up above it, you're going to cut that one out. And you're going to end up with it looking like this. Okay? After you've done that, then the center box that you have cut out here, the 2 boxes, one to the right and one to the left, you're just going to cut the slit so that you have a flap on this side, cut the flip over here, and then you'll have a flap on that side. And then the same thing where you have the open space right here. Put it down so you can see better. Right here, you're going to cut that one so you have a flap, and this one, just this strip right here, so that you have a flap. Then for assembly, you're going to stand it up. This lone one right here, that's the top of your card. Okay, it's taken shape. With these 2 flaps that you have, okay, right here and right here, okay, fold them down. And I've already gone ahead and underneath one of them, you're going to add some adhesive. You can see right here, peeling it off. And then you're going to adhere that to the top of the flap that's across from it. Whoops, 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 whoops. Don't stick yet, not ready. Let's see, right like that. Okay. Oh, it didn't line up very good. Oh, sorry. Okay. And then the bottom one, same thing. Peel off your tape. Fold your flap down across from it. And adhere it. And then, oops. There we go. You will end up with this. Okay. Okay. Now, as you can see, you have a flap at the bottom here that you're going to fold. And as you also can see, that there's no excess so that you can adhere them together. That's where the 4.5 by 1 inch piece of cardstock scored in half gives you that piece that you're going to need to stick it together. So peel off the back here, fold it in half, adhere it here. Here's 1, 2, and then fold it and adhere it to the other side. We can do this. And there we go. And there you have it. You have your little step block card. Then, after you've got that, you take, I have white cardstock for my matting, and it's going to be 1 3/8 by 1 3/8, and you're going to adhere them to all. There. I'm not going to adhere them right now because I'm not quite sure how I'm going to put my pattern paper on yet, because I cut out several different pieces, and these are 1 1/4 by 1 1/4, and I've got several different patterns here. And then you just add them to your mats. Let's see. I'm going to do that. And probably that. And then you would just decorate it. And what's nice about it, it's going to fold real easy into a card envelope. Right there. Just like that. Of course, you're going to put mats here, here, and here. However you want to decorate it. And you will end up with a card like this, or like this, depending on how you want to decorate it, what your theme is going to be. And that's it. Easy peasy and quick. I hope you enjoyed it, and you will come back again. Have a great day.